Hello, grade 3. Today we have an interesting lesson which is about mandala. So, students, our objective is about how to draw a beginner mandala. Let's see together step by step about how to draw a mandala. And you have to try to do it at your house. All you need paper, pencil, eraser, small plate or other round template, scissors, colored pencils, markers, watercolors, your coloring instrument of of choice. So now let's start with the step 1. Trace a big circle on a piece of paper. For example, you can use a salad plate. This is the example on the right picture. Second, you have to cut out the circle carefully. You have to hold two pieces of paper together to double tape your cutting process since you will want to be making more than one of these things. Now we have step 2. Fold the circle in half. Fold it in half again. Fold it in half again unless you're making the simpler mandala. So this is how you have to fold the circle. Step 3, you have to draw several circles. Draw two more circles within the first, one inside the other. The mandala should now resemble a wheel. In this picture, I draw more than two circles. You can draw the number that you will use it. Step 4. Enclose nearly circular shapes between the inner circle and the outer circle. For each shape, use two curved lines. The result should resemble the petals of a flower. So, on the left picture, you can see that they draw several petals of a flower. So they should be symmetrical. Okay. Step 5. Add detail within each petal. Enclose a nearly circular shape at the base of each petal with an ovular shape surrounding it. Let's see what's the step 6. You have to draw many short straight lines between the outmost circle. In the center of that drawing, sketch a very small circle with another circle inside it. Okay, so you can see on the right picture, they start to draw several straight lines between the first two circles, and at the middle, they draw two small circles. Now, let's see the step 7. After drawing the straight line and the small circle in the middle, you have to continue adding details to your mandala. At the base of each petal within the inner circle, draw tiny circles so you can add a tiny circles between the other two circles that you drew at the first step. And now we have step 8. Let's see on the right picture what they add. Like you see the blue lines or the curved line. So in the center of the drawing around the tiny central circles, draw two open petal shapes. For each petal, use two curved lines, like I said before, open to the center but meeting in sharp point at the inner circle. So you have to draw two petal shapes. step 9, let's see what they add. At the step 9, draw two more petals in the center of the mandala, connecting with the first to enclose a flower-like design. So like you see in the right picture, they add two more petals like step 8, okay, because, and they enclose the flower together. And now the step 9, color your mandala and be creative. You can use whatever you want from the color. You can use pencil colors, watercolors. You can use whatever you want to create your mandala, and you have to be creative. So, at your home, try to do a mandala out and show it to me when we meet again. Thank you and stay safe.